Luke 9:23. Whoever wants to be my disciple must deny themselves and take up their cross daily and follow me.
Lifted up, he defeated the grave, raised to life. Our God is able. In His name, we overcome. For the Lord, our God is able. God is with us. God is on our side. He will make a way.
Thank you, Casey. God bless you.
Hi, Kuya Casey. Thank you and God bless.
Hi, Kuya Casey. Thank you and God bless you.
Magandang buhay, Kuya Casey. Kumusta? Thank you and God bless, Kuya Casey. Ingat ka palagi. Maraming salamat. Ingat.
Good afternoon, Kuya Casey. Thank you. Stay healthy. God bless you and your family. I miss you.
Thank you and God bless, Kuya Casey.
Thank you and God bless Kuya Casey.
Thank you, brother, and God bless you. God bless you, bro.
Thank you and God bless Kuya Casey.
Hello, Kisyang. Good luck and God bless. We will miss you.
Hi, Kuya Casey. Thank you and God bless.
Thank you and God bless, Kuya Casey.
Kuya Casey, hello po. Huwag ka na pala, mga salama ka na. Good luck sa inyo. Sa iyo at God bless.
Thank you. God bless. Ate Casey. Bye, man.
Thank you and God bless, Kuya Casey.
Kuya Casey, it's very hard to say goodbye, but thank you. We love you and we will miss you. God bless.
Good morning, Kuya Casey. Thank you very much for everything and God bless. Bon voyage.
Thank you, Casey. Thank you and God bless.
Hi, Kuya Casey. Thank you and God bless. Good luck sa new journey mo. See you when I see you. Bye-bye. God bless, Kuya.
Thanks, Kuya Casey. God bless.
Hi, Kuya Casey. Take care always. God bless you. Thank you and God bless, Casey. I want the thrill.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Thank you and God bless, Kuya Casey.
And God bless, Kuya Casey.
Mabuhay! Kuya Casey, thank you and God bless. Good luck for your next journey.
Thank you and God bless, Kuya Casey.
Kuya Casey, thank you. Ingat ka palagi. Good luck and God bless.
Hi, Charles. Thank you for everything. And I'm gonna miss you.
Hi, Kuya Casey. Thank you and God bless.
Kuya Casey, ano yan? Ay, magkikita pa naman tayo. Thank you sa lahat ng ginawa mo para sa Panginoon. God bless sa buhay mo. Salamat ng marami sa iyo. God bless you.
Okay, God bless, Kuya Casey. Thank you. See you.
Hi, Casey. Thank you and God bless. Bye, Madden.
Thank you and God bless, Kuya Casey.
Hello, bro Casey. Masakit man isipin na ikaw ay lilisan na sa lugaring ito at siyempre masakit sa amin na ikaw ay uwi na talaga. Pero siyempre nagpapasalamat kami sa buhay mo na kahit sa maikling panahon ay nakasama ka namin sa music, lalong-lalo na. At siyempre dalangin namin na ikaw ay makabalik agad upang makasama namin, no? So, pero kahit hindi man, ay siyempre dalangin pa rin namin na ikaw ay magpatuloy kung ano man ang iyong natutunan, lalong-lalo na sa pag-serve sa ating Panginoon, no?
Kuya Casey, salamat sa lahat ng mga naibigay mong tulong at paglilingkod sa ating Panginoon. And ang aming dalangin ay patuloy nawa na gamitin ng Lord ang talentong meron ka at nawa na magkita-kita muli tayong muli pala.
Salamat sa buhay mo. Ingat sa biyahe. God
Isaiah
bless.
55 verses 8 to 9. God's plan for you are bigger than your plans for yourself. From your Roz and FOL family, thank you so much. We love you, and may God bless you always.